Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalam O Alikum, dear student. Today we will solve new syllabus mathematics D2 chapter number 3 exercise 3A basic level question number 5 to 7. In chapter number 3 we will discuss about the set. In question number 5, state whether each of the following collections is a well-defined set. Give a reason for each answer. First of all, in first part, are people in my class who has two brothers. Here, this set is given the two brothers of each class set. Now, this is a well-defined statement. So, we can say, yes, this is a well-defined statement. In any class contain two brothers. So, this statement is a well-defined. In second part, are people in my class who is shy. Here, no, because in every class is not shy or shy is not a well-defined. So this is not a well-defined set. In C part, a TV actor who is well liked by a classmate. This statement is no, because every actor not liked by each person. So this is not well defined set. In D part, a dish well liked by the family member. This statement is also not well defined. So, no, it is not a well defined statement. In next part, a textbook used in my school. So this statement is a well-defined statement because textbooks in use every school. So each subject have a each textbook. So this statement is a well defined. In next part, the most attractive actor in Hollywood. So this is a not well defined because each person like each or every actor. So this statement is a not well defined statement. In question number 6, we can see that state whether each of the following sets is a empty set. Here, give the answer in yes and no and write the symbol of empty set. First of all, in first part, a polar bear is lying in a Sahara desert. So, polar bear cannot lie in a Sahara desert. So, this is a empty set. So, yes. And in other statement, blind man with a crow cut. So, this statement is also yes, this is a empty statement. So in next C part, buses with 50 seats. So this statement is not true. There are 50 seats. No empty set. In next statement, D part, boys who wear skirt to school. In this statement, empty set because boys not wear skirts in a school. In next part, actor which who cannot talk well. So this is also a empty set. In next part, odd numbers that are divisible by 4. Odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These numbers are not divisible by any even number. So this statement is also a empty set. In next part, multiples of 3 that are divisible by 9. So this statement is not empty because in multiple of 3 also contain 9, 18. So these are also divisible by 9. So this is not empty set. In next statement, triangle having three equal sides. So this is not empty set because in equilateral triangle three sides are also equal. In next part, parallelogram having five vertices. So this statement is empty because parallelogram not contain of five vertex. In next part, quadrilateral having a three obtuse angle. So this is also a empty set because quadrilateral are not contain three obtuse angles. In last question, question number 7, list all the elements in each of the following sets with a set notation, state whether empty or not. In first part, we can see that E is the set of odd numbers that are divisible by 2. So odd numbers cannot divisible by 2. This is empty set because odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, these are not divisible by any even number as 2. So this is a empty set. First part is empty. Now in B part, X such that X is a month of year with more than 30 days. In a year, maximum days in a month is 31. So more than 31 is not possible. So this set is also a empty set. So we have this set is a empty set. Here two signs are used. Empty set or also sign of empty set. In next part, C part, G is the set of quadrilateral with five vertices. So quadrilateral not contain a five vertices, only four vertices. So this is a empty set, and also we can write that this set is also empty set. In last part, x such that x is a even prime number. So 2 is a even and also prime number because the definition of prime number, these are only two divisible, 1 and itself. So 2 is a also prime number and even number because 2 is divisible by 1 and also 2. So even number of prime number is 2. This set is not empty set. Best of luck.